kids now.
Wow.
Go flying around the room.
Hi there, folks. I'm Brian the branch head. How you doing out there? How you doing? I'm so You having a good time? Yes! Excellent. I'm a little slow these days. I'm just going to go cover the information desk for a bit. A lot of work to do, a lot of emails, memos. Oh, the work, it's never ending. I got a cover for Ted, as always. I see someone coming.
Hi, where's the other guy?
The other guy, you mean Ted? He's on lunch right now, I think, but may I help you?
No, thank you. I need Ted.
Really, I'd be glad to help you. Are you looking for a book or a DVD or CD maybe?
No, only Ted can help.
I'm a true information professional. Oh, well, back to the desk.
Witam cię, mówisz po polsku? Sir, do you speak Polish?
No, I'm sorry, I don't speak Polish, but maybe I can help you anyway?
No, only he knows.
I can understand you very well so far. Your English is actually very good. After all.
No, thank you. You just won't do.
Back to my emails. Let's see what work Ted didn't do. Okay. Oh, I see someone coming. Let me guess. You're looking for Ted.
Why, yes. How did you know?
Oh, I don't know. It could be that I Love Ted t-shirt you're wearing.
Oh, this old thing? This is the 2011 version. I got one for each year Ted's been here.
Of course you do. It seems like everyone does. So, what can I help you with today?
Well, I'm looking for Ted, as you mentioned. Did you already forget? Ted would never forget that kind of thing.
No, he probably wouldn't. Sorry about that. He won't be back for a bit. Can I take a message?
No, you'd probably forget to give him the message. Thank you anyway.
Frack him, frack him. Oh well. Hey! I heard that. That was Michaela. How are you, Michaela? How are you doing?
You're not Ted. Where is he?
Ted's gone on lunch right now. Don't you recognize me, Michaela? We were on the winning summer reading club volleyball team just this past summer.
That's right. Ted and I and the rest of the team really destroyed the kids on the other team.
Michaela, don't you remember? It was me that spiked the ball off your poor brother's head for the winning goal.
No, that was Ted.
Actually, you're probably right. That would have been Ted.
So, is he here?
No, but he'll be back shortly. I can help you out instead.
No, thanks. I want Ted.
But I helped you before, Michaela.
Yeah, I kind of remember now. But you just don't help me like Ted.
I've heard that before. Okay. I see Ted coming back now. he's not wearing his badge, of course. I'm just gonna go for a nice long cry in my office. Hi-ho, hi-ho, off to work I go. No work to do.
Hey, Mr. T, how's it shaking?
Hey! Great, thanks for asking. I haven't seen you around for a while. What can I do for you?
Well, as you know, I'm a professional tennis player, and I have a drug test coming up soon. Would you mind taking it for me?
Just like last time? Sure. Anything for you, Roger.
Thanks, Ted. You're the man.
Yeah, and you know what? You're the greatest, Roger, and congratulations on winning the Davis Cup.
Thanks, Ted.
No problem. See you, Roger.
See you, Ted.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, back to the desk I go. Oh,
There he is.
how are you?
Excellent. Now that I see that you're here, you're just the person who can help me.
Why, what's up?
Well, I need a 5-letter word for my Scrabble game that ends in Q.
Okay.
Seems pretty hopeless, so I was hoping you'd look online.
No, that's a no-brainer. Umiak. U-M-I-A-Q. Umiak. You know, an Inuit boat made out of animal skins.
I don't know how you do it, Ted. The other guy is useless. He couldn't spell cat if I spotted him the C and the A.
Yeah, and he's pretty bad at tennis, too.
Thanks, Ted.
Hey, no problem. Anything for one of my cronies. Hey.
I just raided Fort Knox, and I smuggled some gold bars into the country. Would you mind storing them under the desk until I get back?
No problem, my friend. Where are you going, anyway?
Upstate, like they say, you know, the big house.
Big house? How long will you be gone?
10 to 20, depends on my lawyer.
Well, good luck, my friend. They'll be here until you get back.
You the man, Ted, you the man.
No, you demand. No, you demand.
No, you.
No,
You're the man.
you.
No.
Okay,
You're good.
go upstate or something. Another happy customer. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Hey, Ted. Good to see ya.
Hey, likewise, my friend. What's up?
Well, I'm trying to remember the title of an Ingmar Bergman documentary from 1973.
Oh, just wait right there. That's easy. It was a Swedish film of a woman sleeping peacefully and uninterruptedly for 6 hours. The title, translated into English, was The Silence of Nothing. It's a riveting analysis of suffering and inhumanity and symbolizes one's personal struggle with the soul. It's one of my favorites.
I knew you could help.
No problem. Just next time, try to challenge me a little. Sounds like something's happening with the building. Will I do anything about it? No! Let's see what's happening in tennis on my computer. Ted! Did you hear that? I sure did. What do you think it was? I don't know, but it could be have something to do with that huge crowd of people coming into the branch. Look, here comes one now! Now! Up the stairs!
Hey,
you protesting about?
Well, let me read it to you. We, the undersigned, do beseech and implore thee, Ted Carkett, to stay at the Hyde Park Library forever. Sign everyone in the Hyde Park community. Ted, don't go!
Ted, don't go! Ted, don't go! Ted, don't go! Ted, don't go! Ted, don't go! Ted, don't go! Well, Ted, what do you say to that? Well, that's very nice of all of you. But, you know, excuse me for a moment. I've got to go work on my backhand.